So hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about the buoyant force. So how buoyant force act on the body, and when we immerse any body on the liquid, how buoyant force act in upward direction, on which principle buoyant force works. So here we will demonstrate some things which are placed in the table, on the table. So here we have a wooden block. We know that the density of wooden block is lesser than the density of water. If we put the wooden block in the water, then what happens? What wooden block will float. If I put the finger on the wooden block and wooden block will go inside and I remove the finger, it will go outside. It means buoyant force acting in upward direction on the body. If we remove this wooden block and I put the cap, plastic cap, then the same thing happens. What happens? The plastic has lesser density than water. If we apply the finger on the plastic, then wooden block will move in upward direction. It means buoyant force acting on the wooden block. If I remove everything and I just use the metal block which is made up of iron, and we know that the density of iron is much larger than the density of liquid. So if we put the metal block, then the reading you can see here, it is 400 gram I think. And as I put the block in the water, then what will happen? You can see the buoyant force acting on the body, and easily you can see the needle of the spring balance is going upward direction at 350 I think. So 50 gram weight is losses which is due to the buoyant force. तो यहाँ पे buoyancy force का प्रिंसिपल वर्क करता है. अगर मैं इसे बाहर निकालूंगा तो देखो वापस 400 ग्राम आएगा और नीचे जाएगा तो वापस ये 350 ग्राम हो जाएगा. 50 ग्राम का buoyant force लग रहा है. अगर हमें इसकी बॉडी का वॉल्यूम कैलकुलेट करना हो तो हम देखो लेवल देख सकते हैं. यहाँ पे वाटर का लेवल ये है. जैसे हम बॉडी को इमर्स करेंगे वाटर का लेवल राइज हो जाएगा और जितना लेवल राइज हुआ उस वाटर को मेजर कर दो, वही उसका वॉल्यूम हो जाएगा. तो ये तो सिंपल तरीका बुoyant force समझने का.